Hello everybody, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Saayujyam the Art Zone. Today we will be seeing the concept of 3-point perspective. We have already seen 1-point and 2-point perspective drawings. Those who have missed them can get the links from the I button and in description box. So come on, let's get started. I had mentioned about the bird's eye view and the ant's eye view in the second video of perspective drawing while talking about the vanishing points. Now this is where 3-point perspective comes into picture. We will see how an object exactly looks like when seen from a higher level or a lower level from the eye level, that is the horizon line. Okay, now these are our two vanishing points, vanishing point 1 and 2 on the horizon line. Now we will place a third vanishing point. Now we will draw a line perpendicular to this vanishing point. Let's begin to draw a box in the same way as we did in 2-point perspective below the horizon line. Until here it is just like how we did in 2-point perspective. Okay, now in 2-point perspective we gave this depth parallel to this line. Here what we will do is we will decide the depth of the object and connect it to the third vanishing point. This will create the realistic look to our drawing. This is the main difference between 2-point and 3-point perspective. Since this is below the horizon line, we will be seeing this box from above, that is, we will see the top of the box as well. I'll just mark these converging lines with red and get back. We can see the lines, though being parallel, seems to merge at the third vanishing point as it is seen from a very higher view. This is why it is called a bird's eye view. For this, you can also imagine a high-rise building seen from an aeroplane. Similarly, now we will make a box with 3 vanishing points above the horizon line, that is the eye level. Now we will make the bottom of the box. I'll mark the converging lines with red and get back. I hope it's more clear now. Here too the parallel line seems to meet at a third vanishing point. That's all on perspective drawing in this series of drawing for beginners. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like and share. Also, those who have not subscribed, please do subscribe this channel. I shall come up with another topic in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.